Saturday, 12:55, 44 seconds here, 2023, 7th month, July, first day. Yeah. Got some paint out of there and put it in a gallon bucket here. Painted the bricks. Just got to get the other side underneath. Yeah, at least there. And I got the floor in here. Gotta put a lip all the way around. Just eyed it in spot. This one has a board, so it's a nice straight line, but who cares about straight lines? Then I tightened that there, a little water there, probably from the hose. Put this fucking thing on it, little cap. This thing's coming in handy. Alright, so just gotta let that dry, then I'll put another coat on it. When it dries, be nice and thick. I'd even put 3 coats on it. All depends on how I feel. Then I had to rescue a yellow jacket that was in here because they bored in a hole up through the bottom here. But I got it sealed off. I stuffed a dowel in there, hammered it up in there. But they had put a little window right here. And so I went in with a screwdriver and pulled out all this, I guess, honey food and shit. Whatever the fuck they were gonna have in there. And then I stuck the screwdriver in the hole and I heard the buzzing. But he was down this other hole down here. I got this all the way out there. There's nothing at the end. And I heard him buzzing in there. So I started picking him out. Next thing I know, he's buzzing more. I could see his head. And then it started buzzing more. And there was some junk in there. It's more of this junk. Wider junk. But I lifted it up, that last little piece right there. Let's see here. Yeah, right there where the finger's at. That last little piece right there. I hit that with the screwdriver just enough, and he's out of there. Thanks, bro. Was fucking having dreams last night. I wasn't feeling too good because I some of these ones. There they are in there. So I don't think I'll kill anymore. Felt kind of bad about that. But I'll just kind of swap them out. Go on, get on out of there. And so here's the wasps still up here. They're hoping to reconfigure. So if anything, they're getting some good practice, getting some repetitions in for how to get things built. So it's not really going to waste. I'm gonna knock it down anyway tonight. Spray them with water, give them the detour. So they'll learn. Yeah, I disconnected the pump last night so I could get it in the room. No use having it out. I don't like having the pump sitting outside. Too easy, you know. I like to have it behind a lock and a key. There's that. So everything should be wonderful. So I'll have that in before the day is up. I'll have some water. I was thinking of going to the store, but I said, nah, get some more supplies, but I'll just wait for tomorrow and have a day's of rest today since I'm fucking worn out. These screwdrivers here, put these back. I just got the paint there, so hopefully it doesn't dry out too much. Just let it sit there. And first got some new drivers, 99-cent drivers and $1.99 drivers. It's all Phillips. So it's nice to get some Phillips. They didn't have to fill lips at the recycle place. Mostly regulars. Everybody gets the fill lips over there, brings them home. Here's another fill lips. It's an old one, wood handle. Anyway, so that's good. Till the next vid. Later.